In this video, we're gonna check the Wi-Fi speed test on OPPO Find X9 Pro. So I performed a similar test on my computer using the same Wi-Fi network, and I'm gonna see the comparison between the computer and the OPPO Find X9 Pro. So first we have the download speed, and it seems that it is much slower actually compared to the computer. On my computer I managed to get 933 megabits per second, whereas over here we have got 207, so a little bit of a difference. Although I have to mention that I am not using Wi-Fi 7 because I just don't have Wi-Fi 7 network, so the difference actually might be because of that. Now over here the upload, on my computer I managed to get 86 megabits per second, whereas over here we have 73. So there is a small difference, but I think it's just not so significant. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.